Building a lead list from LinkedIn usually means one of two things: hours of manual copy-pasting or juggling multiple tools that don't talk to each other. This workflow fixes that. You define your search criteria once, hit run, and get a clean spreadsheet of prospects, names, titles, companies, profile URLs, ready for outreach. Let me show you how it works. The workflow has 5 steps. First, you set your search parameters: keywords, location, job title, and how many results you want. That feeds into the ConnectSafely.ai API, which runs the LinkedIn search and returns matching profiles. Then a formatting step cleans up the data, standardizes the fields, extracts company names from headlines, adds timestamps. Finally, it exports to 2 places at once: Google Sheets for your team to work with, and a JSON file if you need to push it into a CRM or another system. 1 click. Hundreds of leads. No manual work. Let's walk through each node. Set search parameters. 4 fields to configure. Keywords, your search terms like SaaS or B2B. Location, geographic filter like United States. Title, job title you're targeting like Head of Growth. Limit, number of results up to 100. Change these to match your ideal customer profile. Search LinkedIn people. This calls the ConnectSafely API endpoint. It sends your search criteria and gets back an array of profiles. You'll need to connect your ConnectSafely account and add your API key as a bearer token credential in n8n. Format results. The code node processes the API response. It pulls out profile URL and ID. First name, last name, full name. Headline and current position. Company, parsed from the headline. Location. Connection degree. Premium and open to work status. Profile picture URL. Extraction timestamp. Everything comes out in a consistent format, ready for export. Export to Google Sheets. Appends each profile as a new row. Connect your Google account, point it to your spreadsheet, and you're set. Export to JSON. Creates a timestamped JSON file with the same data. Useful for backups or feeding into other workflows. To use this workflow, you need 1. A ConnectSafely.ai account with your LinkedIn connected. Set that up at ConnectSafely.ai/dashboard. 2. Your API key from ConnectSafely. Add it as HTTP bearer auth in n8n. 3. Google Sheets OAuth credentials connected in n8n. 4. A Google Sheet to export to. Update the sheet ID in the export node. Once it's configured, you can run this manually or schedule it, daily, weekly, whatever fits your prospecting rhythm. Fresh leads in your spreadsheet without the manual grind. Template link is in the description. Questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.